Our final ascent takes us to the summit of Sierra Negra Volcano, one of the most active volcanoes in the Galapagos. The trail winds through varied landscapes, from lush forests to barren volcanic rock, a testament to the island's diverse ecosystems. As we climb, the air grows thin, but the reward is worth the effort. From the summit, the panoramic view is breathtaking. A vista of volcanic craters stretching towards the horizon, a tapestry of colors woven by nature's hand. Standing on this volcanic throne, we gain a new perspective on the Galapagos, a humbling reminder of the power of nature and the fragility of life in this extraordinary corner of the world.